All right, guys, we got a new product alert. Not a new product for me, but new product for y'all. I got these premium quality military tags. Check it out. There's absolutely no hole at the top. You get your full picture. I'm getting ready to do some right here. I'm giving them away to some people that's getting some shirts and some backdrops. I'm getting ready to put this artwork on these tags, and I'm going to give it to them. And give me a second. I'm gonna set up the camera real quick and show y'all exactly how I do this. All right, so I don't know. Give me a few seconds. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I think I told y'all already. I got these dog tags right here, premium quality dog tags. They come with a two-sided tag with absolutely no holes in them. They come with I think this is a 27-inch chain, and they come with two metal pieces that have blue on one side, silver on the other side. The blue side is the side that you're peeling up. You can actually use a little I don't know what this thing is called. I got it to actually weed vinyl, but you risk actually scratching the surface. So if you're gonna use this, just be extra careful. But I actually use my thumb. So I'm gonna get on up in there. I'm just gonna show y'all me doing one right quick. It comes up pretty easy. As you can see, I don't know where y'all looking at, but you can see that it comes up pretty easy. Get your focus on, boom. And once you get it going, you just gotta peel it on up. Make sure not to touch on it. Looks beautiful on that side. So it's going to be white on one side. It's going to be silver on the other side. This is the side that you sublimate. Boom. You put that down on top of the image. You really don't need a template. You really just need to size this up. I do. I don't know the sizing right now because I actually measured it, but I think I'm gonna put a link on my website to an actual design template that y'all can just grab and just slap them up in there. But really, if you just measure out a rectangle, you'll be good to go. But once again, start that little incision up. You get it to come up off of there a little bit, just peel it on up. All right. So after you peel it up, you can just slap it on top. I'm gonna do a couple more of these. I'm not gonna let y'all watch me do all six of them. So and I already did six already. I'm getting ready to heat press those in a minute. I'm gonna do four more of these, and I'm gonna press them, and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like when I get done with them. All right, deuces. All right, real quick, ladies and gentlemen, real quick. I'm using heat resistant tape, but all I'm doing is I'm making a nice little strip of tape and I'm stretching it across all of the dog tags or the military tag. That's what I'm calling them. And ain't no rhyme and no reason. Boom. I'm just sticking it across, guys. Right in the middle. Right in the middle. I'm making sure that they touch on top. And then boom. Then I just slice it off. So ain't really no science to it. Then I'm using a piece of chipboard to actually put up under my but not under my heat press. I'll show you guys when I actually get over there. But I'm using a piece of chipboard to actually um not get any sublimation ink on the actual cushion part of my heat press. Stretching that bad baby out. Just gonna lay another layer of tape down. It's gonna be good to go, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. All right. So this is the easy part. I used to actually have a jig. As a matter of fact, I got it right here, which I can actually probably still use this on this. I do believe these dog tags will fit evenly inside of this, but I messed it up because I'm trying to cover all the things. I had the template that go right to it. I just slap all the dog tags up in there, and then I put the artwork on top and heat press it. But like I say, it was getting this thing. As you can see, it's got ink all over it. I used that a whole bunch. I got a little smarter now. And now I'm saying, man, just put the dog tag right on top of the thing and just heat press on there and just go on about your business. You ain't got to worry about setting it up into no template, none of that crazy stuff like that. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So I'm gonna show y'all what this look like up close. I'm gonna chop off this over here, these little pieces, And this is what it looks like after I get done, ladies and gentlemen. I got 6 of them on here. This is going to make 3 military dog tags front and back. I'm going to show y'all what everything look like when I get done with it, but you don't need no dog tag jig. Just print it out, slap your stuff right on top of it, but you need to have the sizing right because you don't want too much space at the top or the bottom, but just a little space at the top, little space at the bottom. I do have a little smidget space on the side because you always need a bleed when you're doing sublimation, but once you get your sizing right, and like I say, I'm going to have a design template on my website. Just download it and you guys get down with it. But give me a second, guys. I'm going to show y'all what everything look like in a minute, all right? Peace. So the heat press is almost on the temperature it needs to be. It is now on 301. These right here, I'm gonna go to 350. Let me put this thing on 350. I think 350 gonna be enough. And if it ain't, we gonna see together if it ain't. 60 seconds right there. Let's put the other one on 60 seconds just to make sure if we need to pull it up or something. 60 is always a good number when doing sublimation. So 60 seconds. One set I got laying down here already, and I got me some chipboard to put it on because I do have a little bit of a bleed, as I said earlier, sticking out all the way around. So if you press it this way, you risk not getting the best quality on it. So I want to press directly to the white metal piece that's on the other side of this. So I'm going to flip this over, boom, put it down on the chipboard, and I'm going to press all of that right there together. And that chipboard is going to stop anything from happening. Now, if you don't got chipboard, you can use some regular print paper. You can use some other sublimation scraps. Maybe if you got Teflon sheets to spare, you can throw your Teflon sheet up in there. But I got a whole bunch of chipboard. I got boxes of it, actually. So I'm going to press it right quick for 1 minute. So we're going to let that thing cook for a minute, and once it come up, I'm gonna let them cool down. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like, and I'm gonna put them inside the dog tags over there to show y'all the finished product. So when y'all ready, y'all gonna be able to get some of these premium quality dog tags and share them with your customer base, and y'all gonna love them. All right, so we on 35 seconds right now. Give me a couple minutes, guys. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I did not let y'all see it popping up, but it did pop up. And it looked like it did what it had to do. I just got to peel these up, and I don't want to handle this metal right now because it just came from being up under 350 degrees, and I am not trying to burn my fingers to show y'all nothing. So we going to get at about 30 seconds or a minute, and I'm going to come peel it up, and I'm going to show y'all what it look like. But these are the ones I'm doing today, so I'm going to turn this heat press off. And y'all give me a couple minutes. You did. A lot of people have been wanting to know, how do you sublimate on cotton? We have a 100% cotton t-shirt. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is a Gildan heavy cotton. Can you see that? Can you focus in? The recipe, the heat to be 375 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm gonna call it cotton subs. It's actually a piece of material that's supposedly gonna give us the ability to print on cotton. We're gonna place the rough side down on the shirt. Let's go ahead and press it. Calls for a hot peel. I ain't saying nothing because I ain't tried it out yet, guys, but this shit dope. Look, this is the shirt. Sublimate on cotton. White looking white, black looking black, blue looking blue. This is sublimating on cotton. And look at this. Now you probably hearing something. That's the actual cotton shirt. The material is probably not making any noise whatsoever because I already showed it to you and it made absolutely no noise. But look at that, man. That's bananas. So, ladies and gentlemen, I took the liberty of peeling some of these up already. As you can see, the colors are popping. Let me get behind the camera so I can see what y'all looking at. Ooh, you see that? Looking pretty up and down, looking pretty. So I'm gonna take these off of here and I'm gonna actually put them inside of the dog tag in a minute. But I wanted to take these off while I actually had y'all looking. I don't know what y'all looking at. As y'all can see, you're gonna need you some heat resistant tape so that y'all can tape them on there and y'all can do y'all thing, man. So yeah, these gonna look good on them dog tags. I'm getting ready to put them on there. I don't know what y'all looking at, ladies and gentlemen, but the colors are popping. Everything looks beautiful. And yeah, give me a second to actually slap them up in there. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do one for y'all real quick just so I can show y'all how it actually operates. So this one right here, the tag actually comes off in the inside, the white. Now on this one, you can probably actually use your little vinyl cutting weeding thing to peel that up to get that little adhesive to come up. And once you peel it up, it's sticky up under there. All you got to do is take the tag that you've already pressed and just slap it right up in the inside. That thing ain't going nowhere. It's going to be beautiful. No holes in there. That's beautiful. I'm going to take the opposite side of one of those, which is this one right here. Hold up. Did I mess something up? Damn. The damn shit did come up. I probably peeled it up too much. Hold up. All right, guys. So if you peeling this up and you're using the tweezer thing, you got to be real careful not to get up under the adhesive part because it is a very thin layer. So you take this off, and if this feels sticky, then you actually took the adhesive part up off the bottom. But the adhesive is going to stay behind. If you're careful with it, just go ahead and slap it, and inside it's going to fit perfectly. It's made for that. Now you got you a double-sided dog tag. Looking good to go. And like I say, it comes with the two-sided tags. It comes with the chain. It comes with the pendant. And everything is in the package already, guys. So that's it. I'm going to do another one in a minute, too. So, you know what? I might as well go ahead and do it right now. Let's see. Is one of these open? Boom. That one is open. We're going to do it while y'all on camera right here watching. I got 6 of these to do, but I'm only going to do the other one just because I want to show y'all what the young man stuff look like. So once again, we peeling it up. Let me make sure I got time on there. All right, can y'all see that? All right, there we go. We peeling up. Got to be careful not to peel up the adhesive. There we go. All right, peel that up. Grab one of these Danes right quick. That's his name, Dana. You're going to grab one. It's nice and simple, guys. Just stick it on in there. It's going to fit perfect. You ain't got to have no master's degree or nothing. It fits up in there beautiful. I'm going to slap the opposite side of that one. And I got tape all over everything. Don't worry about it. Do it heat resistant tape. That's going to come right up. Same thing with the other one. Just peel up that end, ladies and gentlemen. Just peel it up. I don't know what y'all can see, but I think y'all getting the idea and you're getting the gist of what's going on with it. Premium quality double-sided dog tags. You can take this and shine this up if you want to, buff that up, make it look good. Over here I did blue because he had on the blue outfit. And over here I did red because he had on a red shirt, and the colors of the school is red and black. So boom, guys, that's looking good. So when y'all ready, go on to the website. I'm doing these, I believe, in 5 packs, maybe 10 packs, 20 packs. The more you get, the better the price is. Metal. You dig. So we out of here. I'm going to talk to y'all later, okay? Peace.